If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass Latitude in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For the additional details, visit us at marinocjp.com, stock number 912168.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.